for Great Plains this year. So this is the first real punch of cold air of the season, and that's what's going to be bringing us our cooler temperatures for the weekend. So it's a cold start, but a very warm afternoon. 72 by lunchtime with tons of sunshine. We're up to 81 for a high. We hit 80 yesterday. We'll do it again today. And some of us will even climb into the low and mid-80s. Future view looks like this. Sunshine for today. We stop the clock tonight into tomorrow morning. Notice the clouds and the green shading here indicating rain and cloud coverage, which is associated with that cold front that I pointed out back off towards the west. Well, this blows through the area tomorrow. Notice 9 a.m. We're seeing the clouds over the area, maybe a little bit of drizzle. I really want you to pay attention to the timing and how quickly this all happens. So 9 o'clock, the front's passing through. 1 o'clock, it's out of here. We're talking about 4 or 5 hours. This thing just blows through town, and behind it we're seeing very strong winds gusting upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. Going to be a huge problem for the firefighters up in North Georgia and western North Carolina. And behind this, the cold air filters in. That blue line, that's the freezing line. So we are talking about some sub-freezing temperatures in spots Sunday and Monday mornings. The drought situation, unfortunately, has worsened with no rain, of course, in the forecast. It's expected to continue on that trend. Much of central Georgia under extreme drought. In fact, much of the state, 52% of the state, under extreme drought, and that is not helping the wildfire situation, although the firefighters have done a good job at containing this fire, now to 40% containment. This cold front moving through tomorrow is not going to help the situation with those winds. So today, the good news, though, is that ahead of a cold front, you get a south wind. That will push the smoke north, so no smoke today. But watch what happens this weekend. The colors light up on the map. That's the strong winds moving through. The smoke gets pushed into South Carolina, but we're talking about winds gusting upwards of 20, 25, even 30 miles per hour, so some really, really gusty conditions. And it turns colder as well. 67 tomorrow, 58 Sunday, back into the 60s for Monday and Tuesday.
All right.
Straight from the heart.
People in several counties throughout the state will have to watch their water usage. Based on recommendations from the State Environmental Protection Division, Governor Nathan Deal approved a water restriction plan for counties in a level 2 drought.
Deal's office says 58 counties across Georgia are in a level 1 drought, and 52 counties are in level 2, including Monroe County.
And during a level 2 drought response, outdoor water use is prohibited for non-commercial car washes, pressure washing, filling decorative fountains, or using fire hydrants, except in the case of an emergency.
Monroe County EMS Representative Shane Cook says the fire department will be abiding by the rules when they aren't extinguishing flames.
The new water restrictions that the governor and EPD has put in place
world in 90 seconds. By all accounts, a very difficult guy to work for, but much more importantly, he's just not a good person.
General Michael Flynn given top security position.